What is the suffering of encountering those we resent? Many people are deeply attached to their possessions. To prevent them from being taken by enemies or thieves, they guard them by day and patrol at night. Patrul Rinpoche primarily addresses the drawbacks of having wealth and property. From a broader perspective, any unpleasant circumstance, such as encountering troubles or experiencing afflictions, is related to the fear of meeting hated enemies. However, the emphasis here is on wealth and property, as we practitioners should be content with what we have and reduce our desires. While wealth and property can create significant obstacles to our Dharma practice, obviously, the more wealth and possessions we have, the more effort it takes to acquire, protect, and grow them. In fact, how well a person practices is closely related to their relationship with wealth. If you have fewer possessions, you will at least have time to practice. Otherwise, you may spend all your time managing your assets and never aspire to liberation.